Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make festive chicken casserole with fresh guacamole. Now we've poached our chicken breasts with aromatic vegetables, celery, carrots, and a little shallot, and some seasonings. And here they are, and we're going to skin them. Take the skin off. They come right off. These are a little bit hot, but I want to keep this moving, so we're going to just... That looks nice and juicy. It's just cooked. Now remember, this is going to go in the oven. You do want it cooked through, and it is, but it's going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes. So it's going to cook a little more. So we want to get it when it's just done. You see it's slightly pink. If you overcook it, then it's going to be really dried out by the time the casserole is done. So there's one. I'll take this other one off. And just, I'm going to dice it up. I could shred it, but it really isn't cooked through enough to shred, I don't think. It has to be a little drier of a texture. So I'm just going to dice it up, and that's going to work just fine. And I'm going to add this to our sauce. And when we come back, we're going to assemble our casserole.